In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Expensify for a company. We'll walk through the initial basic setup inside the app so that your company account is ready for everyday use. I'll keep everything simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Let's start by opening Expensify in your browser and signing into your company account. Once you're logged in, look toward the interface for the main navigation options. The first thing you want to do is go to your account area. Find and click on the option labeled Account. This is where your personal and workspace related settings live, and it's the central place you'll use to control how Expensify behaves for you, and in many cases, how it feels for your team members as well. After you've clicked on Account, you'll be taken to a page with several categories of settings. Here, look for the section called Preferences. Go ahead and click on Preferences. This area is all about tailoring Expensify to match the way you work. Even though you're setting things up for a company, these preferences help ensure that your day-to-day experience is smooth and efficient, which is especially important if you'll be approving or managing a lot of expenses. Inside the Preferences section, take a moment to look around. You will see various options that let you customize behavior, notifications, and appearance. For this setup, we're going to focus on the visual side, because having a clean, comfortable interface actually makes it much easier to train your team and keep everyone consistent. So, locate the option labeled Theme and click on it. The theme setting controls how Expensify looks, including colors and overall visual style. Choose the theme that works best for your company's environment. For example, you might prefer a lighter theme in bright office spaces, or a darker theme if you and your team work long hours and want something easier on the eyes. While this might feel like a small detail, it can really improve usability, especially when people are reviewing receipts or reports for long periods. Once you've selected your preferred theme, your changes should apply automatically.